Razer put out their very first gaming chair, and then The Verge went to speculate that it was actually somehow affiliated possibly with Secret Lab, which is the chair that you're sitting in, because they just noticed that it's a very similar design. That's Secret Lab that you're sitting in, right?
It is, yeah.
Do you know which model?
With coats.
Is it the Omega or the Titan? Do you know?
I think it's a Titan. Hold on.
Oh, yeah, it's a Titan.
Yeah.
It has a T. Anyway, so apparently people like those chairs, those gaming chairs. People, they have a following. People like them. Yeah. You've been sitting in it for a while. Now, Razer goes and puts out their chair, and then they come out and say, no, we have no affiliation at all. In fact, ours is different. And you can look at this. They do look similar, but what really caught my attention about, well, it wasn't the 4D armrest. It wasn't the Razer styling. What caught my attention, because I'm a super nerd when it comes to this, is the lumbar support.
Yeah.
Because, you know, I've been goofing with this chair, which I don't even remember the name of it now. I did the video on it. What was the name of this?
The All
33.
Yeah.
But it had Backstrong by All 33. And this one is so bizarre. I did an entire video on Unbox Therapy. It has this pivoting piece. It's for the lumbar lovers. It's a whole experience. It's much, much different than anything I've sat on before. Anyway, Razer, they take a totally different approach. You should go watch the video on that, by the way, if you're interested. They've got this piece, which is attached to the backrest, but then is adjustable and can pop out quite a ways. And if you scroll down, there's actually a graphic which shows it off. Look at how far that thing comes out. I mean, You're really going to be flexed around that. Yeah. I mean, you need some serious lumbar, I guess. So anyway, they say it's fully customizable. I guess you can pop it out as much or as little as you choose to. This is obviously far more advanced than other systems, which just like place a pillow there or something like that. Mm-hmm. This is a lot more configurable. I like configuration and I care about chairs. So we'll see how it goes for Razer. Maybe I'll check one of these out. They'll send one. I don't know. It's got a faux snakeskin kind of look to it. It's obviously very gamer, but it's not the most gamer of all the chairs I've seen. It has the green thread, but it doesn't have flashing lights or smoke machines on it.
No. It's pretty subtle.
It's not, yeah, I mean, it's within reason. Anyway, so apparently no affiliation with Secret Lab, even though it looks like, but I mean, how many things can you do with a chair anyways? Mm-hmm. It's a chair at the end of the day. I mean, you could have different support, different adjustment, things like this. But who knows? I think they'll probably sell a couple of them. It's called, by the way, the model name is kind of weird. It's Isker, the Razer Isker, or is that just the lumbar support? Or is that the whole name of the chair?
That's the whole name.
The Razer Isker.
And it's $499.
It's $500. Anyway, it ships October 29th. That's pretty soon. You can pre-order it right now. Gamers, prepare yourselves for some high-density foam cushioning and some Isker lumbar support.